You are witnessing day 6 of my cyclical keto diet. This is Japanese sweet potato, or maybe some other. I think it's Japanese sweet potato. Baked 4 days ago. Finally it's time to eat it. Yesterday I was on a water fast after 4 days of keto. Today I wanna eat low fat carbs, no oil, just McDougall style. 1 day of carbs. Because it's sweet, I think it's good to have it with strawberries. Sweet potato matches strawberries if it's baked. This kind of spoiled a little bit. What are these called? Blackberries? That's what I take together. Sweet potato from refrigerator, strawberry, blackberry. This is my day 5, no, day 6. Tomorrow again, water. Monday, 4 days of keto.